Ho, ho, ho! It's Christmas time at GT's You Gotta Eat. Merry Christmas! Ho, ho, ho!
Christmas time should be a fun time. Gather with family and friends for food, drink, and great times. Enjoy and be happy. It's also a difficult time to eat healthy and be healthy. There's lots of temptation, lots of yummy things. In the cheer of the moment, it's easy to go wild. But in the post-Christmas wash-up, it can leave an unwanted surprise. You can't button up your jeans, your clothes don't fit, and the doctor's telling you you're going to suffer from all sorts of terrible diseases. You're going to die. But have no fear, GT is here with a plan to get you through Christmas.
Santa GT's rule number 1 for Christmas: take care of yourself.
You don't have to be perfect. Eat as well as you can, when you can. But celebration is a part of life. Show yourself a bit of self-love. If you fall into temptation, forgive yourself and don't beat yourself up. Move on, live life, love yourself, have fun, be happy.
Santa GT says, do good habits.
Good habits are the things that keep us healthy. Eat well, exercise, and Christmas lunch will be but a blip on the radar.
When you're going out on Christmas Day, don't skip breakfast. Have a normal breakfast. If you go out feeling really hungry, you're going to fill up on all sorts of junk at the start and you're going to overeat. This can be avoided. Have a normal breakfast. Have a couple of the most tastiest treats at the beginning and really enjoy that Christmas lunch. Ho, ho, ho!
Don't take the leftovers home. This is a temptation too far.
Santa GT says, be active.
Don't sit on the couch after Christmas lunch and act like a whale. Go for a walk, play with the kids, throw a ball, kick the football. Be active, have fun, enjoy yourself.
Santa GT says, do quality, not quantity.
Eat the best things, not everything. Focus on quality over quantity. Celebrate well, have fun, be happy, love the people around you. Don't eat and drink everything in sight.
Don't be a car crash. Ho, ho, ho! Santa GT's rule number 5. Enjoy yourself. The most important thing at Christmas time is to enjoy yourself and the people around you.
Being with family and friends is good for your well-being.
Enjoy the people around you and have a Merry Christmas. It's a great time to share with family and friends. Enjoy, have a great time. Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas.
Have a great Christmas. And remember, accept yourself. Don't beat yourself up when things don't go perfectly. Return to your good habits. Be active. Enjoy the best things, not the most. And celebrate. It's good for you. And from GT's You Gotta Eat, have a great Christmas.
Ho, ho, ho! Yay! Woohoo! Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Yeehaw!